This song is called Ephesians chapter 2 verse 8 and 9。以弗所書2章8到9節。So far, did not have a name for this one yet. This song is written many years ago. Many years ago, I written this song in Christ, which reminds me about Ephesians chapter 2 and to 9. For it is by grace you have been saved, through faith, and this is not from yourselves. It is a gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast. Ephesians chapter 2, verses 8 to 9. Sumendale NIV Study Bible。 主教導我忠誠，主教導我忠心，明月裏默時，默默恩典裏，無言說出厚愛，人來人往，人如人非，無言說出離愛。主教導我忠誠，主教導我忠心，明月裏默時，默默恩典裏，無言說出厚愛，人來人往，人如人非，無言說出厚愛，人來人往，人如人非，無言說出厚愛，無言說出離愛，無言說出主愛。感謝神，所有榮譽歸於神。哈利路亞。